Closing yan. Ano yun? Inyo one? Closing kang nakakaraman. Yun, ayun guys. Naubos na namin yung ano namin.
May time in, may time out.
May time in, may time out. Naubos na namin yung tira namin. Hinihintay na lang namin makawala itong truck. Meron pala kami ditong bagong ano, import. Anong pangalan nito? Kajo.
Si Kajo.
Kajo. Okay guys, meron pala kami ngayon dito ng ano.
Bago.
Paring Doming, ipakilala mo yung ano natin. Bagong recruit.
Namin ang bago naming recruit. Dito ka pare.
Dito ka pare, pakilala ka pare. Ano?
Ito si Kagak.
Si Kagax.
At ayun si ano?
Ano
si
to?
Kajun.
Si Kajo.
Kajo.
Kagulpin ni Swapon. Nakagulpin ba sa kay Tayboy?
Si Ubit din nakakabalik. Karong kag nang nabaksid daw kay Ubit din nakakabalik. Okay na. Ito. Dahil ka mo si Ubit.
Yan guys, medyo madilim na naman yung langit natin, oh. Hintay tayo guys. Madating na si Loverboy and si ano, Tony J.
A few moments later.
Guys, yung hinihintay namin, si Loverboy.
A few moments later.
Ayun guys, ang oras natin ano, 1:23.
White nigga ain't get cause I done filled up 2 or 3 sets. Baby eat the kids up way too shabby, told the police had grace. I done been caught so many times, but I'm still count checks. 6 nigga wanna play a game, told them let's play Rush Roulette. Headshot, yeah. Pull up this coupe, these damn they hand nigga play, get a headshot. I ain't wanna do it, but a nigga had 2, all you seen was a headshot. Let go. She don't give a nigga that pussy, but all I really wanted was a headshot. Crazy. Know how much shooters got range, everywhere we go is a headshot.
Lil' bit gon' give me that mod, that's a headshot. Bought all my shooters, all you see is red dots. Working my wrist at the stove, I got 3 pots. You wanna know we deliver like BitLots. Ooh, yeah, shooting at your head. My blender cup full of them meds. Still know the glizzy, know it's on deck. Catch them in traffic, you know they gon' wreck. Know I'ma shoot like it's Russian roulette. We watch them scat, we pull off in the cab. PG the diamonds, I wore on my neck. Had to stay down till I got me a check. Fill up the safe, we trap out the low, we designing the drapes. Rest in my safe, catch your body today, no I'm...
Nabot na naman kami, medyo umuulan na naman dito. Sa kabila naman pa rin yung one. Puno na daw kala paring Doming. Bagong kargador pala namin dito. Mamaya na yung pare, pipigil.